Welcome to our channel. If you're a business owner looking to verify your Better Business Bureau account and build customer trust, follow these comprehensive step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit bbb.org and navigate to the For Businesses section to learn about BBB accreditation and account creation. Step 2. Click Get Accredited or apply for BBB accreditation to begin the application process for your business. Step 3. Enter your business information, including your legal business name, doing business's name, business address, phone number, and website. Step 4. Provide your contact information as the business owner or authorized representative, including your name, email address, and phone number. Step 5. Check your email inbox for a verification message from BBB sent to the email address you provided during the application process. Step 6. Open the verification email from BBB and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address and proceed with your application. Step 7. Complete the BBB accreditation application by providing detailed business information, including years in business, number of employees, and business category. Step 8. Upload required documentation such as your business license, articles of incorporation, or other proof of business registration and legitimacy. Step 9. Provide references from customers, suppliers, or business partners as required by BBB's accreditation standards. Step 10. Review and agree to BBB's standards for trust, which outline ethical business practices and commitment to resolving customer complaints. Step 11. Submit payment for the annual BBB accreditation fee, which varies based on your business size and location. Payment is required to complete the accreditation process. Step 12. Wait for BBB to review your application and verify your business information. The review process can take several weeks, and you'll receive updates via email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.